and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Anandi. Yellow alert for strong winds in part of Northern Ireland ends. The Met Office warned of a large waves in coastal areas, possible delays for ice-sided vehicles and potential disruption to air and sea travel. Affected areas included the north coast, the Ads Peninsula and northern inland parts of the County Londonderry and County Antrim. The warning was in force until 20 GMT on Sunday. The latest wind warning closely followed two named storms, which caused widespread damage last week. Storm Isha arrived last Sunday, falling trees, causing power cuts for the thousands of customers and disrupting broadband services. Storm Jocelyn followed 2 days later, which interrupted repair efforts and caused further damage to road and electricity infrastructure. A village in Scotland has provisionally set the UK record for the warmest temperature in January after hitting 19.6 degrees Celsius, the Met Office said. The balmy temperature in Kinlochshiv in the Northwest Highlands was recorded on Sunday. It is likely to have surpassed the previous record of 18.3 degrees Celsius in 2003, recorded in the village of Inchmarlow and Aboyne in Aberdeenshire and the Aber Ceredigion in Wales, which reached the same temperature in 1958 and 1971. There has provisionally been a new UK January daily max temperature recorded set today at Kinlochshiv, where the temperature reached 19 degrees Celsius. This beats the previous January UK record of 18.3 degrees Celsius set at the Inchmarlow and Aboyne in 2003 and the Aber in 1958 and 1971. The operational meteorologist at the Met Office said the warm temperature was caused by the warmer tropical air coming up from the south and southwest, which has been all drowned up on Sunday. Forecasters have also attributed the unseasonably warm weather to a meteorological pattern called the Foehn effect. This occurs in mountainous areas, creating a wet and cold conditions on one side of a mountain and warm and dry conditions of the other. Yellow weather warnings for a rain are also in place for the parts of the northwest of England on Monday and Tuesday until 5 am. And there is a yellow warning for wind for the parts of northern Scotland, the Outer Hebrides and the Northern Isles from 7 am to 7 pm on Wednesday. Winds could reach up to 85 meters per hour across the exposed areas and rain is forecast. That's all for now. For more news update, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update. Thanks for watching.